at this point, I have a sequence here in After Effects that comes up and has animated text, and then at the end syncs back into the base of the screen. So I'd like to get this into Premiere now, where I can use it as an overlay. I need to save this composition, so I'll go ahead and save as, and I will call it lower thirds, and I'll save that right in the main project folder as an After Effects project, which has the file extension AEP. And now I'm going to open up Premiere and After Effects simultaneously and drag After Effects over to the side. And then I can take the lower thirds composition here and drag that and drop that into my overlays bin in Premiere. It's going to appear in there now. So now I'll go over to Premiere, and I can use this overlay in any one of my videos. I can just drag and drop it in, and then that is going to work out just like we saw it in After Effects, but now it's just functioning as an overlay here. I can click on that and then go over here to the video effects, and we don't want to change any of the position or rotation information here. So instead, what I want to change is available here on this Master tab. If I click on that, it will reveal the After Effects editable text, and that is right here. So what I can do is change this to some other text. You can see that that took effect here. Unfortunately, the label of this has that whole phrase there. So what I'm inclined to do is go back into After Effects and just correct that. I'll just make that full screen. And so that's coming from the layer name. If I right click on that and rename that, I can call that, let's say, editable text. And then I'll save this composition and go back into Premiere, and that is updated. So you can see that there's a live link now between my After Effects composition and what we have here in Premiere. And we can override that by changing this editable text. And that's working, if you recall, because we added an expression to that text in After Effects. And this allows us to reuse this content over and over in different videos, or even within the same video. Let's say there's some other point in time where we want to have something pop up like that. What I'll do is just hold down the Alt key and drag this over here, and that makes a copy of it that I can use over here. And then I can click on that and go to the master page, and then I can change what this says. And that is going to be different than the other one over here, which has some different text in it. So in this way, you can reuse this asset as many times as you need. And it's great for showing this kind of information superimposed over videos.